this video, we shall learn about similes. Before we do that, let us understand the meaning of a figure of speech. There are certain ways of saying things without saying them directly in spoken and written language. They are known as figure of speech. They are used to emphasize or clarify what is being said. So let us understand what is a simile. A simile is a figure of speech that directly compares two things. Let us understand about similes in detail. Similes are figure of speech in which two unlike things are compared. Example, Maria is as busy as a bee. In this sentence, we are comparing Maria to a bee. As we all know that bees are known as the most hardworking creatures. So here we are saying that Maria is also a very hardworking woman or a person. In similes, unlike things have something in common. So here in the earlier sentence, we saw that what is the common thing between Maria and the bee? Both are hardworking. Also note that positive degree of adjectives are used with similes. The similarities between two things are shown by using words such as like, as, or than. Look at examples using like, than, as with similes. He slept like a baby. Her hair is as black as night. Diamonds are costlier than gold. Let's look at few examples of simile. As big as an elephant. This simile is used to show that something is really big in size. As blind as a bat. This simile means that someone who has poor eyesight or cannot see without glasses. As brave as a lion. This simile is used to show that the person has the quality of being brave. As busy as a bee. This simile means that someone is really hardworking. As cunning as a fox. It means the person is very smart and shrewd. But this simile is used in the negative form. It means that the person is using his smartness to cheat someone and not for something good. As fresh as a daisy. It means that someone who is very healthy and full of energy. As cool as a cucumber. It means that someone who is very calm or someone who is untroubled by heat or by exertion. As cute as a baby. This simile is referred to something which is small in size or something which is attractive or something which does not mean any harm. As gentle as a lamb. This simile is used for the person who is very kind and who cannot hurt anyone. As alike as two peas in a pod. It means that something which is identical or similar in some way. As clear as crystal. This simile means that something which is easily visible or easily understandable. As cold as ice. It is normally referred to a person who does not show any emotions. Now let us quickly revise what we studied today. As easy as ABC. As cold as ice. As brave as a lion. As busy as a bee. As white as milk. As gentle as a lamb. As sweet as honey. Hope you understood this. I hope now you understood the meaning of similes and few of its examples. Similes are used both in prose and poetry to make it entertaining, fun, and interesting to read. So that's all for now. Have fun, use similes.